y'all just calm down.
Whoa! What's going on, my little ones? Are y'all ready for story time? Yeah! Our story of the day is I Am Me, written by Tristan and Lacey Howard. Busy, come on, Busy. My little ones, everyone say hi, Busy. Busy, yeah, Busy. It's that time again. It's that time. I am beautiful the way I am. From each little ringlet to my lovely tan skin. Whoa! I am intelligent. I'll shine my light. I can be anything. My future is bright. Whoa, yes, your future is bright. Busy. I know your future's bright, but you just buzzing too much. Uh-oh, I am magnificent. See this gorgeous red hair? I love each of my freckles and my skin so fair. Busy, I think there's some of your friends right there. Yeah, buddy. I am brave, funny, and wise. I rely on other senses because I can't see with my eyes. Whoa, we are all different but all special. I am spectacular. I love being me. My dark hair and olive skin are so beautiful to see. I am radiant. Just look at me shine. Let me shine. Let me shine. My imagination, laughter, and confidence are all wonderfully mine. Whoa. It's so important to have confidence, y'all. It's so important. Busy, you got a lot of confidence because you're involved with this show. I learn differently, but I am special too. I have a lot to offer because I see the world through a different view. Whoa, light it up for age, yeah. I am special, confident and divine. My mom says I am truly one of a kind. Yes, you are, my little ones. Yes, you are. What a gorgeous picture. And Busy, you are special too, my friend. Yes, you are. I am determined. Nothing can hold me back. I can move mountains even if an arm or a leg I lack. Keep on being determined. I am a work of art. My skin, my eyes, my nose, each part carefully crafted from my head to my toe. Whoa! It's a beautiful artist right there. Look at that beautiful artist. I am brilliant, so just wait and see. My dreams are as big as the galaxy. Well, maybe not as big as your head, Busy. That's a big bumblebee right there. I am talented. I have so many plans. I love being me and everything I am. Wow. She's still playing ball because she's determined and she is special. Yes, she is. I am an observant of this world even though I can't hear. I can read lips. I can sign. I can express my thoughts without fear. I am unique from my head to my feet. My skin is so dark and smooth. Isn't it neat? Yeah. What color is that shirt right there? Purple. Hey, Busy, are you paying attention? Everyone say, pay attention, Busy. I am adventurous, creative, and I like to be bold. My mind is full of stories just waiting to be told. I am happy and fierce even though I have no hair. My fun-loving spirit with the world, I will share. Look at that confidence right there. Look at that confidence shining bright. You can have all the confidence in the world because I believe in you, little ones. I am handsome. Look at my smile. I have a grin that shines from half a mile. Let me see your grins right now. Come on, Busy. Let me see your grins. I am strong. I know that it's true. My dad says I am awesome climbing those monkey bars. I love it. Don't you love it too, Busy? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. I am kind, generous, and sweet. Beauty comes within. It's more than what you see. I am tough. Through in my body, there may be something wrong. I won't give up because the fight in me is strong. Keep the fight in you strong, my little ones. That is admirable. I love it. And I love you too, Busy. Yes. I am caring and cute as a bug. I make people smile when I give them a big hug. Give your mama, dad, or your family member a big hug right now. I wish I could give you a hug too right now, Busy, but you know, Mr. Billy's reading a story. I am uniquely made. I wouldn't change me or my skin shade. Oh, brown skin. You know I love my brown skin. We are all beautiful, talented, and smart. Equally made right from the start. Thank you, Tristan Towns. Thank you, Lacey Howard, for this amazing book.